Guys, welcome to the second part of the ceiling fan remote problems. So for this one, it's this fan. It's the same kind of fan as that one, and it has the same type of remote as that one. Both Hampton Bay fan and Hampton Bay remote. So for this one, everything is normal. This fan also has a bad capacitor, but the speeds on this haven't been switched on the remote or pull chains. Speeds on that one are switched on the remote, but not on the pull chains for some reason. And none of the buttons require you to firmly mash anything. But the problem I'm having, this requires me to stop this right now. But the problem I have is that with the dimming of this light, sometimes if you dim it, it turns the fan on, which is really odd. Dims properly. Sometimes it does the blinking. Of course, it's not doing it now while I'm recording it, but trust me when I say that it does do that sometimes, where it just continuously blinks on and off when I try to dim it. Yeah, I don't know what the deal is with these remotes. I checked, it's not a battery problem or interference. Well, it's probably an interference problem, but well, that doesn't explain why dimming the light button turns this fan on. But yeah, checked, it's not a battery issue, and the frequencies are different on both of these, so yeah, I don't know why it's doing that. So anyways, turn that off, and thank you for watching. Please stay tuned.